Hello, I'm Mihela. Today I'm going to talk about a bird that has a very olive-like color. The lesser yellownape. The lesser yellownape is a type of woodpecker. It is a widespread and often common breeder in tropical and subtropical Asia, primarily the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. It ranges from India, Bhutan, Nepal, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka, eastwards to Thailand, Burma, Cambodia, Laos, Indonesia, Malaysia and Vietnam. Coloration varies considerably based on range, but always look for a bright yellow hind crest, overall greenish coloration and white barred chest. Forages along trunks, branches and on the ground, in forested lowlands and foothills. Their calls are like named locally as Heen Kaha Gelasi Kerala. I have not seen the lesser yellownape. One such place you can see them is Kalundava. These are some of the pictures of our trip to Kalundava. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to see my next video about the eastern cattle egret.